Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we will going to discuss about the selection rule of rotational spectroscopy. In last lecture we have discussed the rotational expression for wave number of line in rotational spectroscopy, and today we will discuss about the selection rule of rotational spectroscopy. Selection rule of rotational spectroscopy. Uh, for that selection rule, we know the last equation for expression for wave number of line is nu bar is equal to J2 minus J1 into J1 plus J2 plus 1 outside there is a Bijorium constant. This is the equation for wave number of line in rotational spectroscopy. For a spin selection rule, give this equation, and the selection rule indicate that the selection rule indicate that which transition are allowed and hence greater probability or not, then the value of delta J is equal to plus minus 1. This is equation number 2. When absorption of radiation takes place, then energy of system will be increases. Thus transition will takes place, and transition takes place in upward direction, and the value of delta J will be increases. That is value of delta J is equal to plus 1. When value of delta J is equal to plus 1, that is J2 minus J1 is equal to 1. When value of delta J is equal to plus 1, that is J2 is a final and J1 is initial, means delta J is equal to J2 minus J1 is also equal to 1. That is J2 is also equal to J1 plus 1, means simply shift J1 to the right hand side. Now these are the two values, J2 minus J1 is equal to 1 and J2 is equal to J1 plus 1. These two value put in equation 1, means in that point J2 minus J1 we can put the value of 1, and in this J1 plus 1 put this value is J2. That is, put this two value in equation number 1. Now nu bar is equal to J2 minus J1 is equal to 1, and in place of J2 we put the J1 plus 1 plus J1 plus 1 in outside the bracket B0. This also equal to nu bar is equal to J1 means 2J1 plus 2, that is inside the bracket 2J1 plus 2 B0. In that there is a common term is a 2, that is nu bar is equal to 2 outside the bracket, then J1 plus 1 into B0. This is the equation of wave number of line. This is the equation of wave number of line in rotational spectrum of molecule. When we put the value of J1 is equal to 0, then equation 3 becomes that is when J1 is equal to 1, j1 is equal to 0, then new bar is equal to 2 inside the bracket j1, put the value of 0 plus 1 b0 is also equal to 2b0. Now when we put j1 is equal to 1, then new bar is equal to 2 inside the bracket 1 plus 1 into b0, that is 2 into 2 4b0. Now when j1 is equal to 2, then new bar is equal to 2 inside the bracket 2 plus 1 into b0 is equal to 6b0. When j1 is equal to 3, then new bar is equal to 2 inside the bracket 3 plus 1 into b0 is also equal to 8b0. And j1 is equal to 4, then new bar is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 b0 is also equal to 10b0. These are the different number of wave number of line, and these are the transition. That is the wave number of line, in the rotational spectrum of diatomic molecule is, there is a chart, value of j1, then transition, and then wave number of line in meter inverse. Value of j1 is equal to 0, then transition j1 is equal to 0 to j2 is equal to 1, that is transition 2b0. When value of j1 is equal to 1, then j1 is equal to 1 to j2 is equal to 2. Transition takes place, and there is a 4b0. For value of j1 is equal to 2, then j1 is equal to 2 to j2 is equal to 3, 6b0. When value of j1 is equal to 3, then j1 is equal to 3 tends to j2 is equal to 4, that is 8b0. And when value of j1 is equal to 4, j1 is equal to 4 tends to j2 is equal to 5, and value of wave number of line, that is 10b0. And now the nature of rotational spectrum, the nature of rotational spectrum the spectral line observed in microwave region, microwave region. Second one, the spectral line consists of equally spaced, spectral line consists of equally spaced. Third one, the spacing between two successive lines is a constant. The spacing between two successive lines is constant, that is 2b0. Spacing between the line is a 2b0. These are the nature of rotational spectrum. And now there is a diagram for nature of rotational spectrum. The diagram is given below. J is equal to 0, J is equal to 1, J is equal to 2, J is equal to 3, J is equal to 4, and J is equal to 5. Now these are the spacing between the line. That is, first line is a 2b0, second line 4b0, third line 6b0, fourth line 8b0, and fifth line 10b0, and spacing between the each line, that is 2b0. Spacing between each line is a 2b0, that is equally spaced. These are the nature of rotational spectrum of the diatomic molecule. Thank you.